Welcome to another episode of Western Roundup. Today we spend some time in Westmoreland where residents express gratitude for regularized water supply. And workers at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation show off their new high-tech equipment. Both initiatives are courtesy of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. You're watching Western Roundup. Stay with us.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF, the National Water Commission, and other stakeholders have been undertaking several developmental projects in the community of Russia, Westmoreland through its Integrated Community Development Project. From the partnership, water and wastewater infrastructure have been provided.
It is an initiative spearheaded by JSIF in the Russia community, and JSIF has been doing a tremendous work here in the Russia community, improving the lives of the citizens. Russia is a community that has been marginalized over extended period of time through violence and other stuff like that. But with the advent of JSIF and the other governmental agencies, it has put a positive light in the community. The residents in the community have gravitated to what the initiative that is being spearheaded by JSIF, and we wholeheartedly rejoice with the Russia community and the residents at large.
The project, which also focuses on steps to promote behavior change and regularization to curtail high consumption usage patterns, is being praised by residents.
I'm here today to register for my water. I want to register that I can get better water, better service, better flow, and then I can get to pay my water bill, and everything will be okay.
This is a wonderful feeling because in the Russia community, like many other inner city communities, things are not regularized. So with NWC, the National Water Commission, coming in, and so that individuals can have their own meter, it gives a sense of pride. It will uplift the community, and also the stigma that is on the community will also be lifted, because now there are formal applications, so now you're a part of the system. No more bridging and stealing. Now you are a legal customer to the NWC. It is a tremendous feeling, and it is a good look for the Russia community.
Youth from the community have been trained in advanced plumbing, leak detection and repairs.
I would like to say JSIF is doing tremendous in our community because we are lack of certain things inside our community. And doing the water warden is a good thing to me because no, actually half of my community don't have water, especially where me live. So doing this makes me happy because water is life. However, I want to say thanks, and even with the training, because I don't think I'd never dream of becoming a plumber. So I'm glad I feel like an experience, and this even bring me to a part where I can say, all right, then I go sell plumbing equipment, or I go do like a plumbing for my house. So we just want to tell JSIF thanks, and we really appreciate everything that we're getting in our community.
The water infrastructure project was funded through the Integrated Community Development Project's Integrated Infrastructure Project. Over at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, the staff are now in a better position to effectively carry out their job functions, having received equipment valued at $7.8 million from the Jamaica Social Investment Fund.
It is indeed a momentous occasion for today. We are indeed grateful for these gifts just before December. So I don't know if it's good tidings, but it is indeed. It will be utilized to the best of our ability as technical staff. The planning department will partake of it. The Roads and Works department and also the disaster unit will also utilize these equipment. As we push for sustainability in Westmoreland, we will be utilizing the drones, where we can be using it for our land use mapping and land use planning as we are embarking on our local sustainable development plan.
The items include geoinformation systems tools, including 4 handheld tablets, 8 desktop computers, a laptop, a 42-inch plotter for printing plans and blueprints, a heavy-duty printer with scanner, and a drone.
We will be supporting 6 parish councils with the necessary tools that we believe are essential for you to sustain and carry out the necessary work to support the development of communities in the parish.
The other municipal corporations to benefit from the support are Kingston and St. Andrew, St. James, Clarendon, St. Catherine, and St. Anne. JSIF is now in Component 3 of the Integrated Community Development Project, which is geared towards community development and institutional strengthening of government agencies. The Integrated Community Development Project was launched in 2014 and is expected to end in May 2021.
Thanks for sticking around until the end. We hope you enjoyed the journey. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Until next time, continue to stay safe.